Jeez, I give you my pole. That was just...
What's a little guy? Was that up under the dock where you had it?
Yeah, right there.
See, this would be a keeper in South Carolina, but North Carolina, we're gonna let it go. You got this thing running?
Yeah.
Hey. Good on. Looks like it's sitting on the bottom. Put the squid on there. You got a Seabass over there. She got something.
Does she?
Usually out of here, just like bottom fish.
Dang, babe.
Yeah, see that Seabass? They have to be 13 inches. This is what I generally get out here, though. 9 inches. They're pretty fish, though. You can almost always come out here and load up on these guys. You want a picture of Seabass? You can lift them like a lake bass. They don't have them. They're sharp here. It's gill plates right there. That's what you gotta look out for.
There we go.
Alright, you can swing in and get it.
There we go. Lost it?
Yeah, I mean, I got that sucker too.
There's the ring tail I was telling you about. See, I put a piece of shrimp on.
Oh, man, look at this fish.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Now, if you don't, do you all eat like panfish or anything? Because there's no size limit on these. They're a little bit.
So I'm doing bottom.
Yeah.
I hope it was a little bigger.
Do I get another one?
Maybe you might need to come to this side. It's a little bigger. Two. Babe.
Good job. That one felt bigger. That one's
It
smaller.
felt bigger.
Babe.
Babe, you want to come grill one of these in? Babe, come grill this one. Put your pole in the pole holder.
Ready to take the thingy out? Let the spoon stay?
No,
Open?
yeah, make sure it's in the pole.
Yeah, it's lost pole. Go.
Oh! I'm sorry. I'm really unbalanced.
Oh, babe, got a big
Oh.
one. Dang.
Technically he did, but you know.
It was
Can you hold him one more time? Grab him.
Yeah.
I want to get a... Oh.
You might drop blood on your bag there. So. Got you.
Oh, yeah.
I have to swipe.
Just push it.
Just hold it.
There you go.
we go. Oh.
About 11 inches.
Dang, babe.
Oh, it was just stuck on the bottom.
Oh, back, oh, back, oh.
It's got that live minnow on it.
Good idea, sir. Keeping it lively.
A little bit. Pretty good. Maybe it's a keeper size one. Oh, your boot pole's getting hit.
Oh, babe, grab that blue pole. Oh, that's a good one here. There we go.
There we go. That might be a keeper, y'all.
Oh, look at that.
Oh!
Let me get a measurement on this real quick.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
I don't think it was recording that time.
Dang.
Yeah, I want to try for sure.
I wasn't recording. You can always get a video holding it, or you want a picture or no?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Oh,
he wants a picture of that one. Here, I'll hold it until he gets it.
no, we're good here. This one is also big.
This one's on.
I want to picture that big one too.
Babe, take this one off. I'll hold this one.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. I'll let you hold him. Oh, he's hurting my finger.
I'm gonna hold the smaller one next to
If I can get the small one out.
Ryan. What was your name?
Laura.
Laura.
It's okay. It's actually.
That big one, he had a live minnow with a hunter.
It's not on Seabass.
Yep.
Mr. David? I don't know, I'm curious what this.
Sometimes it's fun to drop down artificials to see what we're doing.
There you go, babe.
Another little, it's your bread and butter, 10-incher.
Who's
Both sides.
all the way around. So this video in the sky, like, it gets every single angle nonstop.
Oh, really nice. Look at that. Let me get my net just in case. Fall off the hose.
The Willow one was fighting harder than that one.
Yeah. This one's gonna be closer.
How'd you find it?
Talking to people. And see the big huge head boats come out different spots out here.
It's a little bigger.
Yeah. I'm gonna set just to see if I can find some other fish. Two big ones in this area.
Oh, that was a bigger one. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh man, that might be.
That one I think is gonna be
Not. I don't know. Shoot. Look big at first.
So,
maybe.
Yeah, looks like another 12.5 inch. So I'm gonna move us over to another spot. Swallow this one.
They look longer when they first come out of the water.
Yeah, it's another 12.25.
oh, I'm gonna bring my bait off.
Little guy.
Can't see that which way that eye's facing. It's hard to tell which way it looks. I go look more. That's simple. Would have had a portal by now if they were in here. I think that, and it was super cold there for like 2 weeks. I think it dropped the water temperature a lot, moved the fish south.